where I wanted to put it on a serving plate because I just think stuff looks so much better on a serving plate. But this is a finished product. I did come in, however, after I let it all reduce down, I did come in and add my sun-dried tomatoes because I forgot to add those in the process, but that's okay. So I made Mark a plate, so I'm gonna show you guys this. It's pretty, and so I made Mark a plate. I'm gonna slide it to the side for him to taste, and you tell me what you think. You tell them what you think, because I already know what you think.
You already know what I think.
Yeah, maybe potato, and put it all together. And
oh, that's good.
it's always good, Mark.
I know it is.
Taste it. I'm on my own for it, though. Got it. I didn't want to walk away from the camera.
You wasn't in the camera.
I don't care.
That is good, y'all.
Is it?
Yes, very good. Very good.
I have a potato and some taste of meat. I use chicken thighs. You can use any meat you want. Last time I used pork chops. And I browned the meat a little bit. It is. That's good. I browned the meat a little bit because when you fry it, it gives it a silky, it gives it a different texture as far as the cream. But I did mine with roasted potatoes. You can do yours with mashed potatoes. You can do yours with rice. There's so many ways you can have this, but it was a quick, easy fix to a meal today because I did not want to cook a long meal. So this is quick. It was delicious. We made a Caesar salad with it. We hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend.